Morning. It is very early. It's not actually that early. 20 to 8. I thought it was later than that. Earlier. Bastard. I'm still not awake yet, but we've got Bleabeck and High Force at the circular today. You're coming along. There's more of us as well, so a bit more crack on that. Mint. So yeah, going to get some scranning trail mix and survival stuff now. And then we're off. Oh, very pasty white. Yeah, mint. Now then, let's bounce. My tears hit the floor.
That's a cool hood. I like this mate, it's smart.
Ooh. Ooh. Mint. Oh shit, load of geese. Seen all them geese? Up there. Can you see them, son?
Oh yeah. Formation. Where's it there going?
Scotland, where it looks.
You have no idea that where's Scotland.
It's fucking north. What's north?
How do you know?
That's north.
I would say that way.
That fuck off, that's north.
Alright, I'll get the fucking crumpets out then, won't I?
If I was going home, I'd go that way.
Make you look a silly cunt.
Yeah, home, that's south. No.
East. That way, you fucking rags. Oh my god, fucking shame up with that.
On camera! On camera!
And this would work.
Fuck, that's way big. That's way bigger than I thought. Ooh.
Hey, you boy, check out the would work. Dun, 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 dun. I hate that. That's all. You are.
Oh.
Got pure billy goat scruff now, haven't you, King?
Nice.
Yeah.
Just booked in the same time as Sean last week.
Oh yeah, Sean came in before me.
Little weeks.
And then he went home.
What a great tale.
He went home.
He went to barbers and then he went home.
Right.
Then you just write books.
Good thing you got that on camera, right? Don't forget that.
Make sure that makes the cut, King.
Ben, shall I title it Ben's Mad Story?
Yeah, pure clickbait.
And we're all like that. Whoa!
Drinks, excuse me.
Oh no, just smoke.
I actually do agree with you. I actually do agree with you.
I don't get the beer.
It sounds scruffy, I actually prefer it.
Yeah, it's much better.
How does it stink, man? Yeah, but I also have like the smell of them as well.
Yeah.
Like it's the pure rough pub smell at the time. Yeah, a little mush on that.
You only smoke when you drink.
And you don't even smoke then, do you?
Then you're not smoking.
How about you ever got grain in them?
Oh, what about cigars though? I got a cigar for
cigar.
I got a cigar for Christmas. Oh, I should have brought it.
What, smells?
Oh,
it should have smells, mate.
Hear
The
them.
minion.
Hear them.
Not got a whitey.
What, snus? I've never had one, mate. I wouldn't.
They're wet.
Couldn't do it.
The same pains like out on Christmas they gave me one and I felt like it knocked me fucking sick.
I was curled up in a ball, mate, like one of
You had two strengths, you had like dual power.
You got ganged up on by snus.
Yeah. Very fast one those like the West and then it gets out like
don't know, I've had two and I've
Ooh.
Footballers take them, don't they? I don't know how they do. They won't shove them around.
They do like football games, yeah, but they won't take the big strength.
Does it chill you out at all or not?
Nicotine increases your cognitive function. So it's like a nootropic, isn't it?
Oh,
I thought I'd get doing nicotine. Because you can chew a car and you're
Kingo, where we at?
down.
Have you listened to the Bobby Lee Joe Rogan?
Big waterfalls down there.
You watched it.
They were doing it, weren't they?
Yeah, they were.
Them things that concentrate.
Yeah, he's got everything in that
They did the
studio.
sniff.
Yeah, down there.
Who does? Rogan.
Like you can literally, like someone says something, he's like, oh yeah, I got that.
They had loads of like tins and that.
Do you watch Protect the Park?
Wow.
Yeah, the class.
One job, Lou.
I like all of them.
Side, not bad.
But yeah, that Bobby Lee one's good.
Yeah, I like the Bobby Lee one.
He doesn't think he likes him though, does he?
No, he said he just didn't speak with me for like 10 years.
I don't like them. I thought it was sport, like, being missed. So I'm gonna get the fucking gear.
Yeah, but
Fucking hell. Man, what are you doing? You're on cam all the time.
On cam. You're a fan favourite, mate?
I thought Joe
Fan favourite with who?
Oh, saying I've got no fame.
You got no ground.
I hate this.
Go on then, Ben, jump in.
You can't go in that one.
Go and have a go if you think hard enough. The fucking set of lads there. Two.
Oh, yeah. Fucking hell, Lou.
I hope they do. Get it? I hope
What, fucking hell?
Fucking hell, yeah.
God, right, you got waterproof boots on. Go through there.
I didn't. Socks are soaked. Gonna have to do it though, aren't we? Are we going up this way, that way?
No, it's straight over, like we're going up there.
May as well get at it.
Do you reckon you could? Oh, you're gonna slip you.
Sound, mate.
Are you actually crossing it?
Oh, fuck it.
He's gonna fall over, Louis.
There's a bridge there. What if I did? Smack me in and die?
Yeah, but how are you gonna walk across there then?
You got water soon now?
Yeah, you can see, I can smell him from here. Yeah, he's soaking.
What did they do? What? I'm blowing it. You want to give us a blow? Get.
Get a big neck.
That's not going on. My big Tyson neck. Put it on.
Big Tyson neck. Cause look at your neck now, Louis. Progress pics. God, there's one neck.
Got granite chin, imagine me now, bedrock chin. After I've had that. Mate, stop filming, I have a fucking bogey hanging out my nose. Don't fucking creep up on me, you daft cunt. Because you'll fucking know about it.
Would you went to what?
I'd fight.
They wouldn't have.
Do you reckon?
I'm not good enough to fight some Russian.
I wouldn't want to
bear.
fight Russia.
Imagine fighting Khabib or something.
I'd spawn. I wouldn't even want to
Wrestle bears, what do we
I
do?
don't like necessarily disagree with Russia.
What?
Do anything great.
Oh, everyone's as bad as each other. We're as bad as them.
So like, we're not doing it for a good reason.
There's no good guys.
Oh, there's no good guys
Oh, what in the world?
in the world, yeah.
People in charge. There's not one good guy in charge.
Faust isn't so stinky and corrupt.
Politics
you
for
needed
Lou.
to be Prime Minister, Lou.
Yeah, we did vote for you.
What do you think? I wouldn't become corrupt. Sat there with a 10 bill net worth now. Have you using pure poverty?
So,
You're a head boy.
are we not going to fight in Russia then? Are we
I'm not.
fucking it off? Are you busy?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm busy that day.
if I was fighting for like
If it was against the Chinese,
What would you if it was against the Chinese?
I'd go for free. You wouldn't have to pay me.
I don't know, back in the day, it seemed like I'd fight for me.
Fight like.
Don't even
No.
give me a gun.
Now no one
fucking cares,
are they? You're fighting for Rishi.
Rishi Pooscrag.
Would you use your bare hands?
Fight the French. Surely
Yeah.
you'll beat the French. I'm not getting knocked
Yeah,
off no
they're
French.
fucking pussies.
Let's hope I've got no French fans, am I right?
Yeah, Russia.
Unsub. Hold on, Lou, say that again.
There's some.
What's
Go
the
on.
Lou Nixon show or something?
Right, no, tell us that
I
stat.
reckon I seen on video the other day on YouTube Shorts that we're supposed to be able to live till 120, like genetically. But I'm doing like an actual show, like Louis Theroux. Big baldy Louis Theroux.
couldn't do that, surely. Oh, he's having some scran. Looks like it.
Chicken man, little pretty man.
How that sound?
You'll see.
Do you reckon he'd survive if he fell off that one?
What a view.
Who him?
What do you reckon, like, I don't know, is that like a mad force or something?
Yeah.
Nah, you'd be alright.
Yeah, there is a life thingy there, like.
Remember the waves are splashing that?
Imagine you go on that and fling it straight at the rock, you bounce off the rock, smack your head, dead,
You'd
gone.
go under that though. You could swim there.
But yeah, he almost said I could swim there. When you could swim there.
Yeah, life or death.
Life or death, I'd rather go.
Do you reckon you could swim up it like Minecraft?
Good space barren.
I thought you were doing that.
Man, move there. You want to run at the back? Dark cunt.
Give chicken lip.
Oh. You want to run at the black pearl? The kid.
In the power.
That's about the man,
You point the camera at the floor, you. That you just try. There you go. Real camera. Real bad man.
Mate, I'm slimy. Eating a fucking
Hey,
Johnny.
what up?
Wank.
Boy.
Chicken boy.
Need some salt or something.
I like that sound.
My soul was in pain. No nights alone. My tears hit the floor.
Down here, me.
I'll go down here with Kingston, like. Just in case I want to push him in, smash his head off the rock.
Thank you. Hey, Babble. Ooh.
Go scrambling.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh.
Like a skitsy cunt.
You are?
It's matter like if you actually fell down there, you would die.
He's doing it here.
Are you jumping, bro?
Creed, eagle jump.
That's better.
We've always picked up the Peter Stone. Pick up the Peter.
Yo. Hey, Lou. What do you reckon that is?
Yeah, Ben. Good job, man.
That blue mint cod map, this is how good cod map would this be? S&D.
What is this? Is it like a mine or something?
Oh.
Quarry, no?
It's a what?
Like some sort of quarry, isn't it?
Oh,
Maybe it's a limestone quarry, I don't know.
I don't know my quarries.
This, wouldn't it?
I don't know, like it's kind of
You got small head.
big.
Vandals, you just go and have a look.
I know. But it's not moving. It is a Sunday, like.
Right, it's London, it's
It looks grey though. It looks like gravel. I thought limestone was yellow or something. What looks boring? Yeah. Yeah, it looks depressing.
Yeah, it does like.
Oh, you couldn't run. So depressing. Why are you looking at that every day?
Oh no, it's a
Canny
brand new
windy.
thingy there, so it must still be going.
Canny
Lights
windy.
on there. Someone's kicked them out. What is that? What is that?
Would be
Oh,
That'll be classed with paintball.
It might be slate mine or something, maybe.
slate. Maybe.
Train driver?
But that'll be a mint job.
Yeah.
So Corsa's doing it now, wants to do.
Corsair.
No.
So Simon saying Corsa said he wants to do train
He
drive.
said it.
Train.
He didn't mean like. He said, "Oh,
Why
I
train
might
driver?
apply for it."
It'll be quite cool.
You get
He said it's good money and it's an easy job.
Yeah.
Get a good pension and that.
Just jump.
A good pension.
You do?
I'm not going to live long enough to save me pension anyway.
I know as if what to do something because it's a good pension.
I know.
Why? You'd be meant to be
If I have no money at 60, I'll just jump off a bridge or something.
You just be
In a bit.
Can't go wrong, can it?
Oh fuck me, it's windy.
Not like heroin or something.
Oh, there it is. Ah.
Get older.
No, you're just like, oh,
Oh.
what's the difference?
Anyway, your leg's killing.
Suspension. They're not killing, they just want to go, just like, they just want to go to bed. Like,
I'm ready
imagine
to
the kid
scran
now.
me, like, I'm proper like,
No, but King, imagine this, right? You get home, like say we were going straight home now, but you still felt this exhausted. By the time you got home, get in, hot shower, you go in your room, your mum strip your bed and put fresh bed on. My God.
Film on some chocolate.
Yeah, she's tidied your full room, shot a film on. Left some, oh my God.
I
It's about
like,
10 minutes of the film, so
I like the scran part, me, it's like a reward.
it's like a reward.
Alright, yeah, I'll shut up, yeah. I thought you were having a go at us to say it's like a reward.
It's a fucking name in it, it's like a reward. What's going on?
Ah, my legs! Go on then, do it.
Oh, thanks.
Ooh, you sprayed?
Yeah,
You
nice.
smell unreal.
It smells wetly neat.
The red well, those guys are still in there, the red well. Oh my God. Peace. Oh. I'm having a kipski in the back of you, like. I'm having a kipski. Kipski.
I never want to catch it right. You just keep the accelerator and I'll just pull it out.
What, are you not having a kip as well? No, Ben.
No, he's not the fucking kip. I'll blast the music full blast. I don't have my kip much. But I can't kip, you can. Selfish little kip.
Our brother.
So my dad did it to me before.
Let your brother sleep.
Picked me up from college because all the trains got cancelled because the weather went mad. And I fell asleep. He started rocking me and going, you can't fucking sleep if I can't.
That's shit.
Yeah, it was going mad and it was my fault the train got cancelled. It's funny, aren't it?
Being pagged there for Instagram. 10-8 round.
Gregor.
Oh, what a day. Wow, knackered. But this will be the content from now on. I'm going to do a lot of walking stuff, bit of cracking that food and stuff. Mint, I really enjoy it, so this is what it'll be, and I'll do them probably upload one every 2 weeks maybe. I'm going to put a bit more time and effort into editing and stuff, and like messing about with like drone footage and making it look nice and all that stuff. So yeah, if you did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, all that stuff, I'll see you later for another walk. Guitar.